Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great day. I hope your weekend was great to you or it's still going great for you. Today is Sunday. I know it's a little bit early today, but I have a lot of things to do for this upcoming week, so I have to get prepared. But I did not want to neglect you guys, so I want to do the Sunday market outlook or Sunday market overview. I tried changing the name so I can try to download my video to upload to the other platforms. But yeah, let's get it. Let's see what's going on. Um, so before I go into that, I want to just go over the previous trades that we were in last week. Let's see what happened. I know I spoke to you guys on Thursday, but let's just see how we ended out for the week. So far, so last week, Euro USD 104 pips, plus it was 30 pips, and then she sold down with the sale. We got 34 pips. Again, she's currently going, well, we'll do the overview in a minute. US 30. US 30, guys. So if you did catch those sales going down Friday, she did have a buy up. I would have brought up from here to just even with this bearish Rami that took place right now, 588 pips, guys, on a Friday. Don't you love that? um, Also, 570 here. This was another drop, and she gapped down and just completed 623. And then with this one, um, 350 points as well. Try not to trade um, the retracements because you can get caught up. So you just go with the trend until it bends. But I like that this setup right here. I know we don't really go over US 30, but I just wanted to just talk about it because last week was beautiful. But I seen the bullish engulfing here. We were at a 4 hour support that took place, and if you would have just brought it up, if you would have just put your buy stop right after the bullish engulfing or enter after the bullish engulfing was formed, took it to just even, I probably would have took it here to be honest, because on the lower time frame, it would have showed 584 pips, guys. But that's the index. If you don't got the money to play with her, do not get in. NAS was also a another one as well. That is an index, but I think I this happened back in April 25th, and then on what was that, Monday? Maybe I seen the second entry that formed. I don't know what I did. I think it was on a 4 hour time frame. Yeah. I like how it was market structure. We got the bullish engulfing entered right after the bullish engulfing was formed, and 246 pips. I I don't know. She will actually go to our whole 659, but we will see. It may be time for her to reverse. But we'll do the weekly overview in a minute. Oh my gosh. Um, so I missed this first sale. Oh no, I didn't. Hold on, let me go to a lower time frame. Let me go to a lower time frame. Okay, so that was, yeah, I was so mad because I got out when well, I didn't, that was a stop hunt that took place. Hold on, let me go to a 15-minute time frame right quick. Yeah. It was a stop hunt. We was just talking about stop hunts and how to trade it, right? But we were talking more so on the inside bar candlestick pattern and not like the double tops. But basically, I got out right here where the wig was, because I'm like, okay, well, maybe she's going up. I should have waited for the confirmation, and she sold down. So I lost actually because I got out. It was less than that, or maybe more. I don't know. So that was 130, um, right? But then we got it. We ended up catching in. So Darwin actually rolled all the way down. Right, 626 points. That could have been a second entry right here. That one, because it was at a support and resistance, and that 686. I got these two right here. I actually didn't get stopped out. It almost did, though. It almost did. But that was 700 and that was 810 pips, points, and 671. I seen the buy coming. Of course, US 30, NAS, and um, SPX follows each other, but SPX is able, you could be able to trade on a lower count, but you still need money. I'm gonna be honest with you, but it's still an index. USDJPY. I think we have a couple of trades with this one, right? So this, hold on, because that's on the lower time frame. Seen the buy happen. We should have got in somewhere up here, but we did wait till the breakout. 233 points. This was an inside bar candle. I'm going bullish, so I got in right here, and this is also a news event. So I want her to hit the 92 pips. That one is a current trade. I actually held that over the weekend, so we'll see how she plays out. But I was in profit. I did not get into this trade. I don't trade GJ, but I did see what was happening. I did my fibs. We were in the 50 to 60%. Also, I did actually get into a small little buy, but I was like, it's not ready yet. And good thing I did get out. That was a manual enter and exit. Still over a 2-1 reward to ratio, which was great, but um, I didn't see the full confirmation. But I did see this inside bar. We were in the 50 to 60%. I think it was, yeah, it was a level right here. I said, oh man, I didn't get into this buy, but I did actually just um, mark it up. I'm going for 201 points, or maybe just 201 pips. I'm sorry, not points. But so far, we are currently up. Well, look right here, 130 the 30 pips. USD CAD, baby. I know we normally trade USD CAD on the other one. Well, we normally just mark up. But I did see the sellout taking place. Follow the TP to the T, 175 pips, guys. Great. I don't trade this, but I want to mark this up. I'll mark this up a little bit later. See how she plays out. But I won't probably trade it. DXY. Good thing I don't trade DXY. Just mark her up and just follow her. But she's been hitting this 4 hour key level, 4 hour support and resistance, and it's like she doesn't want to break. She goes up, she goes down. Made some type of consolidation move during this little area here. So we'll see what happens. we'll go into more detail. And then I don't trade GU, but of course she was buying. All right, so let's get into it. See what's going on. See what we see in the market. So before we start with that, I want to go over news right quick. Let you know what's coming up. So Sunday we don't have anything. Monday we have a couple bank closures, Euro and GBP. So if you're trading any of those, it may be slow or probably will not move. Tuesday we are clear skies blue. It may be some yellow folders, but I don't really care for the yellow folders, you know. Wednesday. So new loans is actually for China between the 10th and 15th. So that will be taking up until next week. But Wednesday we have CPI. That's at 8:30. That is United States dollars, and that's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Very very volatile. Um, and then 1 p.m. we have our bond auction. Thursday. What happens Thursday? So 7 a.m. GBP have some news. 7:30. Well, 7 to 7:30 GBP has news. 8:30 on Thursday. Core PPI. I've been following the trend on CPI and core PPI to see what happens on one of my peers. Just guys, just do your back testing. Follow your, you gotta follow your peers. See what happens during these major news, because these major news, especially the like CPI, PPI, NFP, those come monthly. So let's, want to follow the trends. Get your research, see what may be going on. I know we don't really. I know we haven't really talked about like the fundamentals, um, like research and on it. But I know this girl Lynn. She is like the bomb with it. So she actually put me on. Well, she didn't. Yeah, she actually put me on more into depth, but I kind of knew already about it. But anyways, 8:30, core PPI, major news that's taking place. FOMC will talk at 10 a.m., 1 p.m., bond auction, NZ for that, I'm sorry, NZD for inflation expectations on Thursday evening. Friday, 2 a.m. GBP news, 10 a.m. We got some news as well. So it will be a little volatile week between Wednesday through Friday. So please protect your accounts if you are a new trader. All right, so let's see what is going on. All right, so we're on a weekly time frame. Also, if you would like, please go back to the Candlestick Trading Bible so you can review. If you want to follow the top-down analysis to be able to get your, to see what, to be able to do top-down analysis to see what's happening in the market or what could happen in the market, because the market still would like to do its thing on its own. So, all right. So I was actually looking at this on a weekly time frame. Of course, we know your USD has been selling. I did a fib from the top to the bottom, just as far as with the seller, as far as the sale. We're in our 50 to 60% right now. Um, so I really feel like Euro is ready to drop. We're just waiting for, now this is for the current, this is for the weekly. So we're just waiting for that bearish indication that we can actually sell to freaking hell. And I've just been waiting for this. I really just feel like all of this is just a retracement. So we could continue, so we can be able to have a good entry, good risk reward to sell off. That's just on the weekly time frame. The previous candles, I am going based off the TDA here, but the previous candles were indecision. There were a doji that printed last for last week. It ended up, and of course, as we can see, she's been going back and forth. No wonder why. But I really feel like she made. You're just waiting. So we had that double top that took place. We're at a 4 hour. Where's my arrow? We're at a 4 major support and resistance level here. So all I see is rejection that is taking place. We have another double top that is formed. So either you can wait until you're actually safe to get in for a sale, and you can sell her down, or if you're being a little bit risky, I will wait until I will wait here and then sell down. Okay. Um, for time frame. Look at all this. We just keep getting like bearish indication, but we just waiting for her. I think that was that previous candle, the double top that took place. We have that rejection, that pin bar at our 4 hours. She did sell. We are still getting a little, getting the sales within it. She came back, made an evening star formation. I think this is just a retracement, and we can continue to go down. So that's what I see so far. But we shall see what she wants to do. Okay, I will not go over index. All right, USD JPY. What is going on with USD JPY? All right. Of course, we know she has been in a uptrend. This is also a weekly time frame so far. Previous candle. So hold on, let me show you guys a couple of things. So she did sell off. We have the evening star. She sold off a little, but we're still making. This is a higher low because it's higher than this low. Did she close? Hold on, let me turn this off. So that's an equal high that took place. If you see right here, these two. I wanted to see if she closed higher than that. But all she did was make an equal high. So she may sell off a little bit before continuing to go up. So we shall see. This is a weekly time frame though. Also, this is, so we have the evening star that took place. She sold off. This is the bearish harami that took place. So she may sell off a little bit and then continue to go up. I want her to feel this area here, to be honest. I want her to feel this. Keep going up before she sells off. And then also looking on a weekly time frame. I like that one way better now. So this really just may be the retracement to get us into an entry to get in for our buy. Let's look on a daily time frame right quick. Oh yeah, we got a good position for that buy, guys. If you got in Friday, if not, I really feel like she may give us a second entry. So we shall see. We shall see. Let me take this off because it looks a little ugly. It's head and shoulders pattern. Yeah. Still lower highs or market structure, lower highs and lower lows are being formed. This is just end up being an equal high. I really want her to break that and keep going up. Follow the trend. Follow the trend until it bends. Follow the trend until it bends. Even if you just take it to this orange area, this orange line that I have. This is a daily support and resistance. But I want her to break that. Yeah. Oh, that would be so lovely. All right, so if we got in for a good entry, we shall see what happens. Let's go on a 4 time frame right quick. I don't think we need to do anything in this case. We are in a tricky spot because she gave us that. She never broke this high just yet, but I'm expecting her to break this high so we can continue going up. I want her to, but I'll just check halfway and see if she wants to continue to go down. Because the DXY was playing all last week. But I'm holding this buy until I see what happens around here. If she gives me like bearish indication to sell off, then I'll sell. But overall, I see a buy. So I'm not changing my bias until she tells me. Alright, so EU, we see sales happening. UJ, we see buys happening. Which is what we want, because if the DXY is doing whatever, UJ will follow, and then EU would be the opposite. So that GJ buy may be valid, but GBP is the base pair in this case. So, and I think we said we have some GBP news, so we will see. It's going to be a very interesting week on GJ. USD CAD. Let's quickly see what's happening. Doing some consolidation, but there is a buy here. And I know you like, how is she? I don't have any key levels shown, but I know it's there. All right, so what's happening here? We are this is on a weekly time frame. We are getting into the 50 to 60 when she does come into it. She does go up. She goes up. I want her to come down a little bit more to see if we can get that entry, so when we can be able to go up. So she did something. I want her to go like something like this and then go up. But we shall see. Right now, she's still just showing bearish, which is what I like, because I want her to go. Look at that. I didn't even see on the weekly, but I want her to go down some more unless she creates a higher low. from this one on a daily time frame, then we may be ready to push up. But we will see for a time frame. Yeah, so she still just looks bearish at this moment until we get indication, or if she creates a higher low, right? We would want to get the bullish indication so we can be able to go up. But I feel like she's still bearish at this current moment. Market is still closed. And then, so we'll see what she does. But this upcoming week, I am maybe possibly looking for buys unless she's going to continue selling. Right now, she's currently still selling. She still shows bearish indication. Yeah. All right, and then the other ones we don't trade DXY. We gonna see what DXY does. But that's all that I have for you guys. Make sure if you are getting into trades, you use your position size calculator so you can be able to figure out what are you risking before getting into any of your trades. Follow the candlestick Bible. If you're needing some assistance to see how the market is reacting or what's happening, if you can't see what's going on in the market. Once again, my name is Ramera, aka Mara the Goddess. Follow me on all of your social media platforms. You have a great week. I will see you Wednesday.